So children, now let us start with some questions by method of cross multiplication. One question I have taken as x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus of 12 equals to 0. This question is question number 1 of exercise 3C R.S. Agarwal. Question 1, exercise 3C R.S. Agarwal. So let us start. In the solution part, first you will write the given system of linear equations are. You will copy it down. Most of the students, they start directly with the solution. It is the wrong method of starting the solution. Given system of linear equations are x plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Make it equation number 1 and this one as 2. Now you write here a1 equals to 1, a2 equals to 2, b1 equals to 2 and c1 equals to 1. a2 equals to 2, b2 equals to minus 3 and c2 equals to minus 12. Now by cross multiplication, we have x, y, and 1. Now below x, what we write over here? b1, b2, then c1, c2. Below y, c1, c2 written. So what is left? a1, a2. And below the constant term, a1, a2 written. So we will be writing b1, b2. Now let us write the values. This implies x divided by, don't write divided, simple. Now b1, b2 is 2, 3, minus 3. c1, c2 is 1, minus 12. And then y, a1, a2 is 1, 2. And then 1, b1, b2. b1, b2 is 2 minus 3. This implies x. Now let us write this sign also. I forgot. Give this sign here as well. Now this implies x divided by 2 into minus 12 minus 3 into 1 equals to y 1 into 2 minus of minus 12 into 1 equals to 1 divided by 1 into minus 3 minus of 2 into 2. 2 into minus 12 minus of minus 3 into 1 equals to y divided by 1 into 2 minus of minus 12 into 1 equals to 1 divided by 1 into minus 3 minus of 2 into 2. Children, I am explaining each and everything in detail for the first question. So pay attention. So this implies x divided by minus of 24 plus of 3 equals to y divided by 2 plus of 12 equals to 1 divided by minus 3 minus of 4. This implies x divided by minus of 21 equals to y divided by 14 equals to 1 divided by minus of 7. Make it 1, 2 and 3 in Romans over here. Now from 1 and 3 we get x equals to minus of 21 by minus of 7 equals to 3. Minus minus 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. And from 2 and 3 we get y equals to 14 by minus 7 equals to minus of 2. Therefore, x equals to 3, y equals to minus 2. Answer. Now let us proceed to question number 2. This question number 2 I have taken as question number 9, exercise 3C of R.S. Agarwal. The question is, find the value of x and y by the method of cross multiplication. Question is 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to 7 and 2 by x plus 3 by y equals to 17. Now, taking 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. Now this type of the question, children, we have done in elimination method. Whenever the variables are in the denominator, we used to suppose that as some other variable. So let us start. Taking 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v, the given system of linear equations are u plus v equals to 7 and 2u plus 3v equals to 17. Make it 1, make it 2. Now, by cross multiplication, we have u v and 1. Now below u we will be writing this one 1 3 and minus 7 minus 17. Take care, this would be in this side. So this I have given negative sign. Now v over here 1 2 and constant term, so 1 and 3 over here. So this diagram, if you understand, children, method of cross multiplication, you can do easily. Here, children, I did not write a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. You can skip that if you are confident. If not, write over here a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 and so, means then the actual formula, then this form. Now after this, this implies u divided by minus 17 plus of 21 equals to v divided by minus of 14 plus of 17 equals to 1 divided by 3 minus of 2. This implies u divided by 4 equals to v divided by 3 equals to 1 divided by 1. Make it 1, 2 and 3. So 1 and 3 implies u equals to 4. U equals to 4. This implies 1 by x equals to 4. Implies x equals to 1 by 4. And 2 and 3 implies v equals to 3. Implies 1 by y equals to 3. Implies y equals to 1 by 3. Therefore, x equals to 1 by 4, y equals to 1 by 3. Answer. Let us come to question number 3, which I have taken as question number 13 of exercise 3C of R.S. Agarwal. The question is, find the value of x and y by method of cross multiplication, and the equations are a by x minus b by y equals to 0 and ab square by x plus a square b by y equals to a square plus b square, where x and y not equals to 0. Now children, over here also the variables x and y are in the denominator. So we will be supposing 1 by x as any other variable. I will be supposing u, 1 by y as v. We will be getting two linear equations in u and v. We will be solving by the method of cross multiplication, and hence in substitution in our supposition, we will be getting the value of x and y. So let us proceed, and we have done many sums like this in elimination, and the last sum in cross multiplication also was based similarly like this. So let us start. Put in 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. The given system of linear equations are au minus bv equals to 0 and ab square u plus of a square bv equals to a square plus b square. Make it equation number 2. Now by cross multiplication, we have, let us write the formula or the diagram of the cross multiplication. We have x and like this arrow, I mean the sign. Now below, sorry, not x, u. Now below u, this we will be writing, so minus of b plus of a square b and 0 and minus of a square plus b square. This one is this side, the constant term, so we will be taking negative sign. Now after that, over here v, and below v we will be writing this one, so a and a b square and 1, and over here we will be writing minus of b and a square b. Now over here this implies, let us give the sign of this cross multiplication. Now u divided by this minus plus b into a square plus b square minus of 0 equals to v by 0 and minus, so this is already minus sign, so plus a into a square plus b square equals to 1. Now over here this will be a cube b and minus sign, so plus a b cube. Now let us solve it further. So this will be equals to u by b into a square plus b square equals to v by a into a square plus b square equals to 1 by, let us take common ab and left is a square plus b square. Let us make it 3, this one as 2 and this one as 1. So from 1 and 3 we get u equals to b a square plus b square by ab a square plus b square. These two will be cancelled, bb will be cancelled, equals to 1 by a. Now u was 1 by x equals to 1 by a. This implies x equals to a. And from 2 and 3 we get v equals to a into a square plus b square divided by ab into a square plus b square. These two will be cancelled and equals to 1 by b. So we get one by y equals to 1 by b. This implies y equals to b. Therefore, x equals to a and y equals to b, and this is the answer.